Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we discuss how to achieve financial freedom at a young age. Today's topic is about how to become a millionaire before the age of 18. Yes, you heard it right. You can become a millionaire at such a young age if you have the right mindset and take the right actions. Story. Let me tell you a short story about a young boy named Alex. Alex was just like any other kid, but he had a dream. He wanted to become a millionaire before he turned 18. At first, everyone laughed at him, but he was determined to prove them wrong. He knew that if he could achieve this goal, he could change his life and the lives of his family. Alex started by reading books and articles about personal finance and investing. He learned everything he could about the stock market and started investing his money in different stocks. He also started a small business selling handmade crafts online. But Alex knew that this was not enough to become a millionaire. He needed to think bigger. He started to research different industries and found an opportunity in the tech industry. He saw that there was a high demand for mobile apps and decided to create one. He taught himself how to code and spent months creating an app that he believed would be a hit. He launched it on the App Store and within a few months, it became a huge success. The app was making him thousands of dollars a day. Alex continued to invest his money and started to diversify his portfolio. He also used his earnings to start other businesses and invest in real estate. By the time he turned 18, he had amassed a net worth of over $1 million. Now, Alex is an inspiration to young people all over the world. He shows that age is just a number and that anyone can achieve their goals if they are willing to put in the hard work and take calculated risks. Tips. So, if you want to become a millionaire before the age of 18, here are some tips that can help you. 1. Educate yourself about personal finance and investing. 2. Start small by investing in stocks or starting a small business. 3. Look for opportunities in industries that have a high demand. 4. Be willing to take calculated risks. 5. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. 6. Stay focused and never give up on your goals. Conclusion. Becoming a millionaire before the age of 18 is not impossible, but it requires a lot of hard work, dedication, and smart choices. Remember, age is just a number, and anyone can achieve financial freedom if they are willing to put in the effort. I hope this video has inspired you to take action and start working towards your goals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance and investing.